Well, today we're going to be looking at a Whirlpool Gold Series dishwasher. It runs and works, but there's no heat. It looks like the element is probably gone. Let's get into this, see if we can diagnose it, find your problem. Let's take this out of here. You can see inside here, we'll take a look at the element. Take a look all the way around. It looks okay. There's no burn holes in it. But we're going to take it out, check the conductivity of it. Maybe it's burnt out. To get this dishwasher out, you'll see underneath we have a screw over here, right there. One there, one down there. We'll take the screw out. Dishwasher should slide out nicely. Hold these clips down, otherwise it gets caught up on the underside. And just out it comes. Let's get on the underside. We'll find out where to test it. Well, as you can see from the back, you can see here's one connection for our element, and there's the other one. What we first need to do is disconnect the power, pull the breaker, and we're going to test it. See how many ohms it has. It'll tell us if it's burnt out or not. Cut them off nicely. Easier to do with your hand. And then the other one. There we go. Let's test it. See where we're at. Well, here we go. We'll set it at 2,000 ohms and see what it comes up with. There you go, 12, 11. It should be testing in between 10 and 30. Looks like our element is good. We'll have to keep on our investigation to see what else is, what other reason not working. Well, let's continue on with our investigation. Well, let's run the diagnostic cycle, and hopefully that fixes itself. You have to hit the 3 buttons 3 times in a row. There you go, it all lights up, starts running its cycle. It'll take about 15 minutes, and hopefully it resets itself and solves their problems. Now that the problem's all fixed, let's put the dishwasher back in place. We'll put our 2 screws back in up here, another one up here, and there you have it. Well, as you can see, the element does work. We just had to reset it. Hit the reset buttons, let it run for 15-20 minutes. We're all good to go. Well, I hope that solves your problem too. Saves you some money on not buying an element. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next project.